Okay, so once your store is created, you click on appearance right here, and as you can see, you'll see different options to customize the appearance of your store. Okay, so for example, in themes, if you click on it, you can select a theme for your store. Okay, we have several different themes you can choose from, both free and premium, but you can just select the free one for now. They're pretty good. More themes are going to be added here, so make sure you check it from time to time, okay, because we are just updating, you know, this section, so more themes are going to be, you're going to be seeing more themes here, okay. And of course, you can pick a fancier one if you want, but you don't need to pay for one now, okay, since you are just starting out, okay. Maybe later, as soon as your business grows, okay. Now, moving on, we got menu structure right here, which basically you can set the structure of your store. Okay, you can customize each section of your e-commerce store, header, footer, you know, the left menu, the center menu, the right menu, etc. Okay, and this is actually pretty good because you can actually right here you can customize everything. Okay, so if you click here, it will bring you here, and there's the menu list, the structure. Okay, you're gonna be doing this yourself. Okay, another important thing that I want you to focus on is setting up your legal pages, okay, which are basically right here in pages. Click it and you'll see all the legal pages. We have created already these ones for you, okay, so you don't have to create them from scratch. Okay, you just have to edit them. Okay, about us, privacy policy, terms and conditions, return policy, shipping and delivery, payment methods, contact us. Okay, so yeah, it's very important that you have all these pages, okay, well, at least most of the pages in place before you start running your business. Okay, this is because you want to avoid any trouble in future. Okay, and also you want to look more professional, right? So for example, let's click on one like refund policy. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so let's try to edit this one for a second. Okay, you just copy and paste your policy right here, okay, in the content section. Okay, so we have it already, so you don't have to do anything because we have already created the content, okay, the pages for you from scratch. Okay, but you can modify anything as you want. Okay, you'll do the same with the rest of the page. Okay, the page title, a return policy, or a refund policy. Okay, the page lag, okay, the page excerpt, okay, and then the content, the most important. Okay, and you will do this with the other pages. Okay, about us, terms, return policy. Okay, so for example, you can edit here the about us, same thing. Okay, we have already created them for you. Okay, so these are already set as default. Okay, but you can modify as you like. Okay, now moving on, we got sliders. Okay, this one actually is something more technical. Okay, I actually never used this myself, like only with my developer, but yeah, you can modify like the sliders. Okay, it's not really needed right now, but if you are an expert coder or developer, I'm sure you're gonna love this section. Okay, you can also create new ones if you want. Okay, now the SEO settings, another important things, in appearance, SEO settings right here. So basically you'll be able to set up some basic SEO for your store. Okay, and this is important, guys, because I strongly suggest you to do it because it takes literally a few seconds, but it's gonna help you greatly rank your store to the first page of Google. Okay, so you're gonna insert a title here, you know, a Twitter title, you know, a URL, tags, and a site description. Okay, and also a sitemap here, the link. Okay, you can update everything right here. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.